आज हाम्रो बसाइको तेस्रो दिन यो डिज्नील्यान्डको अर्को एउटा पार्क एनिमल किङडममा जाँदैछौँ।
Look now to the Discovery River. It's billionaire adventurer Scrooge McDuck and his faithful travel companion, Launchpad McQuack. The two thrill seekers have sailed all the way from Duckburg to experience the raging current and erupting geysers of the legendary Kali River Rapids. Since Launchpad lost their map days ago,
अहिले चाहिँ हामी यो एउटा अफ्रिकन नेसनल पार्कको जङ्गल सफारीको लागि लाइनमा बसिरहेका छौँ। यसलाई चाहिँ किलिमन्जारो सफारी भनिँदो रहेछ।
Friends, this is a very real truck. I am really driving it, and the roads out here are super bumpy. Of cultures believe that those horns possessed medicinal qualities, but they are this light copper color. Males will get darker in color over time compared to that 5,500 pound body weight that they do have. Around the corner here, I see some more dangerous friends down on the left-hand side. A couple of Nile crocodile, some on land, some in the water as well down there. Which are the tallest of all giraffe species. They can get up to 18 feet tall, and they have 18-inch long prehensile tongues. Let's see though. Yep, we got a pack of painted dogs, friends, over on the left-hand side. Inside of this rock den, there's quite a few of them laying down on the inside of there. Mountain zebra. Hardman's mountain zebra are the smallest of all zebra species, so these babies were extra tiny when they were first born. When they are in a group, they dazzle or confuse their predators. They can't tell one zebra apart from the next. There's just far too many stripes for them. So when they do feel threatened, they're gonna gather tighter together in those groups. Those giraffes on the right-hand side, but we're gonna try and see if we can hopefully get closer. We'll let her be. Giraffes do spend most of their day. They get this pink color from their diet. They eat brine shrimp and algae, both of which contain beta-carotene. White rhinos are much larger than the black rhino we briefly saw earlier. They can weigh up to 5,000 pounds. They were definitely rolling around in the mud. Off his 12th nap of the day here. Lions do spend most of their day sleeping, anywhere from 16 to 20 hours a day. There's a female behind him as well. Here, yep, on the right-hand side, on the right of this path.
Let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Oleoramus.
अहिले चाहिँ हामी यो एभरेस्ट एक्सपेडिसनको लाइनमा छौँ। यहाँ चाहिँ यो एभरेस्टबाट यो रोलर कोस्टर को राइड गरिँदो रहेछ र यो भित्र देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ यहाँनिर सम्पूर्ण सामग्रीहरू हामी यो नेपालमा परेको हुने खालको देख्न सकिन्छ। एउटा एक किसिमको नेपालको झल्को मेटाउँदो रहेछ यहाँ आउँदाखेरि। यहाँ प्रयोग हुने सामग्रीहरू अनि यो पेन्टिङहरू सबै यो नेपालको जनजीवनलाई देखाउने उद्देश्यले यहाँ राखिएको छ। यो एभरेस्ट नेरको जनजीवनलाई देखाउने गरी यहाँ सम्पूर्ण कुराहरू यहाँ राखिएको छ।
Yes. Ah non. Oui, c'est pas bon.
He's landing. There you go. Thank you very much for your help.
They're found in the southwest of the United States, so places like Arizona, New Mexico. His wingspan is about 11 feet across.
Yeah, they are impressive, right? Heads up, y'all are about to go. Ooh.
Okay, he's okay. That. Ever again. But then, it was people.
Where you go? Oh, we've got our non-formal over here. You can find in Indonesia. This little chicken or a toucan. Just get outside. It's not all day. Thank you all so much for joining us. You've been a wonderful audience. Enjoy your day here.
त्यो देखिएको ठुलो पहाडको भित्र यो अवतार राइड हुँदो रहेछ यो 3D राइड हामी त्यसकै एक्सपिरियन्स गर्नको लागि जाँदैछौँ घुमाइसकेर हामी हाम्रो आफ्नै स्थान सिकागोतर्फ लाग्दैछौँ।